इस डायग्राम से अब हम डिस्कस करने वाले। Now see, we are going to discuss about the open cycle gas turbine with a regeneration. ठीक है, open cycle gas turbine with a regeneration, how it is possible. So what are the components of the open cycle gas turbine with a regeneration? The first component is a compressor, second component will be the heat exchanger, third component will be the combustion chamber, and fourth component will be the turbine. These are the basic four components of a गैस टर्बाइन विद अ रीजनरेशन। गैस टर्बाइन विद रीजनरेशन की ये बेसिक फोर कंपोनेंट्स रहेंगे। ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन इन द ओपन साइकिल गैस टर्बाइन विद अ रीजनरेशन? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, the air will be compressed by the compressor when it will suck the air from the atmosphere. Once the air get compressed, its temperature and pressure will be increased. Now this air will be delivered, initially this air will be delivered directly to the combustion chamber. ये air कहाँ जाएगी? हमारी combustion chamber को जाएगी। Then in a combustion chamber, combustion will takes place. Combustion होगा, because of which the huge amount of gases will be produced. Huge amount में exhaust gases produce हो गए। Okay, then this exhaust gases will be collapsed on a turbine. ये exhaust gases कहाँ पर जाएगी? Turbine के ऊपर collapse होगी। Now the turbine will rotate, due to which the rotation of the turbine will be utilized to generate the electricity as well as to rotate the compressor. Is it? So rotation of the turbine will be utilized for the compressor and for the generator. So this way this rotation of the turbine will be utilized. Now the exhaust gases will be removed from the turbine. Whatever the exhaust gases will be removed from the turbine, we are not going to means we are not going to escape these exhaust gases directly to the environment, but we are utilizing these exhaust gases. Now see how we are utilizing these exhaust gases. These exhaust gases will be travel towards the heat exchanger. ठीक है, ये exhaust gases कहाँ पर जाएगी? हमारे heat exchanger को जाएगी। Now what will happen? They whatever amount of heat is available into the exhaust gases, that heat will be replaced with the air coming from the compressor. जो air हमारी compressor से आ रही है, उस एयर के साथ में क्या होगा? हीट एक्सचेंज होगा। यहाँ पर whatever amount of heat is available in the exhaust gases, that heat will be delivered to the अवर द compressed एयर। जो हमारी compressed एयर रहेगी उसको डिलीवर्ड होगी वो एयर, सो दैट द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द एयर, compressed एयर विल बी इंक्रीज मोर देन द इनिशियल टेम्परेचर। जो पहला इनिशियल टेम्परेचर था उससे ज्यादा यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा? उसका टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हो जाएगा। दैट मेथड इज कॉल्ड एज रीजनरेशन। उस मेथड को हम रीजनरेशन बोलते हैं। ठीक है, now this air with a high temperature and the pressure will be delivered to the combustion chamber, so that the minimum amount of in a minimum amount of the fuel, the maximum amount of the combustion will be takes place, due to which maximum amount of the exhaust gases will be produced, and these exhaust gases will be bombarded and the collapse on a turbine. Once again the remaining exhaust gases will be or the exhaust whatever the exhaust gases are available here, these exhaust gases will be directed towards the heat exchanger to heat the compressed एयर। जो हमारी compressed एयर है यहाँ पर अवेलेबल, ठीक है, उस compressed एयर को हीट करने के लिए हम वापस इसको यूटिलाइज करेंगे। ठीक है, सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर in a open cycle gas turbine with a regeneration, we are using the exhaust gases temperature to reheat the compressed air by the compressor। जो एयर हमारे compressor ने compress की है उसको वापस से reheat करने के लिए हम exhaust gases का जो temperature रहेगा, जो heat रहेगी, वो utilize कर रहे हैं। and the component is responsible for reheating is the heat exchanger। जो component हम use कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, that is the heat exchanger। so आपका process कैसा रहेगा? the process will start from the 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 5, then 5 to 3, then 3 to 4, then 4 to 6. So this way this cycle will be complete here। इस तरह से आपकी यहाँ पर साइकिल कंप्लीट होगी। इज नथिंग बट द रीजनरेशन। ओके, इसको बोलते हैं हम ओपन साइकिल गैस टर्बाइन विद द रीजनरेशन। ठीक है, अगर आप अगर इसका पीवी